Why is calculus important? For students to learn calculus because it improves their mathematical comprehension, fosters critical thinking, and helps them solve problems. They can use analytical thinking and deconstruct difficult problems into smaller, more understandable portions. Gaining proficiency in calculus equips people for both practical applications in areas like economics and medicine, as well as for further education. Additionally, it encourages creativity and innovation, pushing individuals to think creatively and make contributions to scientific and technological developments. All things considered, students in a variety of fields can benefit from knowing calculus. This is the overview of the topics covered in this video. For the first real-life application, we used trigonometry, and for the second real-life application, we used the area of polar curves.
Now, how do we get the height of Marcelo statue by using trigonometry? So, ang height ni Tricia ay may 1.44 meters. Tumayo si Tricia sa distance na 3 meters mula sa paanan ng rebulto ni Marcelo. Mula sa mata ni Tricia, tumingala siya sa tuktok ng rebulto. So, ang angle na nabuo o yung tinatawag natin na angle of eyesight or angle of elevation ay 49 degrees. Paano natin makukuha ang total ng height ng rebulto ni Marcelo? So, let's solve it. Step number 1. Para ma-solve to, gagamit tayo ng konting trigonometry, especially yung tangent function. Sa SOHCAHTOA, ang tangent is equals to opposite over adjacent. Imagine niyo na may nabubuong right triangle. Yung distance ni Tricia sa rebulto, yun yung ating adjacent side na 3 meters. Yung height ng rebulto mula sa eye level ni Tricia hanggang sa tuktok, yan yung ating opposite side. Ito muna yung hahanapin nating, tatawagin natin itong H1. At yung angle of eyesight ni Tricia na 49 degrees, yan yung ating angle. Step number 2. Gagamitin ang tangent function. Ang formula ng tangent ay tangent angle is equals to opposite side over adjacent side. So, ilalagay na natin yung mga nakuha nating value na tangent 49 angle is equals to H1 over 3 meters. Step number 3. Hanapin ang value ng H1. Para makuha si H1, i-multiply natin to both side kay by 3 meters. H1 is equals to tangent 49 angle times 3 meters. Ngayon, kailangan natin ng scientific calculator para makuha ang value ng tangent 49 angle. So, ang tangent 49 angle is equals to 1.150368. So, H1 is equals to 1.150368 times 3 meters. So, H1 is equals to 3.45110 meters. Itong 3.45 meters, ito yung height mula sa eye level ni Tricia papunta sa tuktok ng statue. Step number 4. Idagdag ang height ni Tricia. Para makuha ang total height ng rebulto, kailangan nating idagdag yung height ni Tricia sa H1. So, H total is equals to H1 plus height ni Tricia. So, H total is equals to 3.45110 meters plus 1.44 meters. So, ang H total is equals to 4.89110 meters. So, ang total height ng rebulto ni Marcelo ay 4.89 meters.
Nakakapagod na gumala.
Nalakain tayo.
Tara kain.
Kaya bili tayo ng pizza.
Tara.
Close the curtains, what you waiting for? And they'll be keeping.
Tara, kain tayo.
A few moments later.
Oh, bakit kalahati na lang to? Kailangan nga.
Pwede tara, solve natin.
For the given, we have r is equals to negative 9 cosine theta d theta. So to be able to find the answer, we will use the case 2 number 2 of trigonometric transformation, which is cosine squared theta is equals to 1 plus cosine squared theta over 2. For the next step, a is equals to 1/2 times 2 integration of negative 9 cosine theta squared d theta from 0 to pi. Now, multiply 1/2 times 2 at distribute ng squared. So, a is equals to 1 integration of a to 1 cosine squared theta d theta up 0 up to pi. Then, ilabas ang constant. A is equals to 81 integration of cosine squared theta d theta 0 up to pi. Next, by using trigonometry transformation, palitan si cosine squared theta ng 1 plus cosine squared theta over 2. So, a is equals to 81 integration of 1 plus cosine squared theta over 2 t theta 0 up to pi. Ilabas yung constant na 1/2. So, a is equals to 81 over 2 integration of 1 plus cosine squared theta d theta 0 up to pi. Let's integrate, and the answer is a is equals to 81 over 2 theta plus 1/2 sine squared theta 0 up to pi. Now, substitute the upper and lower sa theta by using upper minus lower limit. A is equals to 81 over 2 times theta plus 1/2 sine 2 times pi minus 0 plus 1/2 sine 2 times 0. Next is yung mga palitan ng lower limit value is makakancel na dahil ang magiging sagot lang nun ay 0 and 1/2 sine 2 times pi is cancel na din. Ang matitira ay 81 pi over 2. So, the final answer is 81 pi over 2 square units.